Hey guys, good morning. Is it good morning or good afternoon? I don't know. The weather is pretty good, and I woke up just an hour back. So I'm in Varkala currently. Came back again, second time, and staying this time in Lungi White. And we are going to go to Jatayu Bird Sanctuary, Jatayu Pada. It's called Jatayu something else also, National Park or something. So we are going to go by this auto. There are other sources as well to reach this place, but there was a lot of to and fro involved where we have to get on a bus and then again take an auto and then walk for some time. So I prefer taking this auto. Also I have a company this time, so it would be easier to split the fare. Cheta, how long will it take? Jatayu Pada? How long will it take? 1 hour?
20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes? Okay. Let's go then. So probably after Jatayu Pada I'm going to go to Trivandrum, but let's see how this entire thing goes. Also I have to walk a bit while traveling, so there is that too. Let me wear my glasses. We are finally at Jatayu Center. Okay, it's Jatayu Earth Center, and so vaccine first dose is compulsory here, and probably there is a ropeway that takes us up. We have to go like this. There, no? Ticket. This is the ticket counter. For once I thought कि यहाँ पे भी shooting नहीं हो पाएगा possible, but shooting is not possible, not allowed, only in the area where they are working. So there are a couple of things that you need to note. First of all, the entry, like ticket counter and all, is open only till 5:30. Overall the park is open till 6:30. You have the option of taking a cable car or opting to walk. Walking is like 1 kilometer. So ticket for the entrance to Jatayu Park is like 240 plus taxes, but cable car का फिर अलग से charges है, like cable car charges are separate, and we have opted for cable car. And yeah, I mean one can opt for walking as well because apparently it's through the forest and everything. So yeah, going to take cable car tickets now, and we'll move towards Jatayu Park. Just showing you the place once. Going to pass through the security. We can take laptop inside. We cannot take bags. Can take laptop, and network is also available fully. This is the waiting room, waiting hall. And I took the tickets for cable car just behind. You can book the cable car tickets online as well, and they have two different charges for senior citizens. Senior citizen का 10-20 रुपये कम है, and normal citizens. Waiting for our turn to enter into the cable car. I think it's going to be pretty interesting. And also this cable car company is apparently providing cable car services to all the cable car places across India, like Himachal Pradesh, Rishikesh, and all that places. Very interesting. first experience in a cable car. And it's kind of scary. They have a helipad too. That's a helipad. Zipline activity too. All these are closed right now, and yeah, rock climbing and all that activity is also there. And the cost is around 500 per person, but it's closed as of now. I really thought that we'll be able to get a view of the Jatayu. So I think that is the way, that CD wala way, that one can come by walking. Is the cable car worth? Not really. I mean, because this is my first experience, so that was it. Otherwise, I would have definitely opted for the walk. Must be a pretty walk, I'm sure. What do you think? Cable car was worth?
Yeah, it was worth.
It was worth according to him. Not according to me. So it's up to you if you want to pay $250 more for this 5-6 minutes journey. Let's go. This is the exit, cable car exit. And this is the top aerial view. Honestly, it feels like Jaipur ka koi mahal, top of that mahal on Jaipur. They have a small cafe, which is of course visible to everybody, I think. And this is the way I was talking about, ऊपर चल के आने का रास्ता है. And this is the Jatayu. So this is pretty much it of the place. I don't know why they said that it takes 2 to 3 hours to roam around here. Maybe you can just come and chill. There is also a small temple around here. It's a pretty big monument, man. It's a pretty big monument. See, the architecture is really good, the carving and everything. So they have details mentioned here, chronology of the events, where you can read about how this came into being and everything. Jatayu Para. Jatayu Para is it gains its significance from Hindu mythology. Okay, I tell you what, the story itself is very inspiring, and there is first of all a museum here which is in under progress, but I'll tell you the story which everybody knows, but it's like when Ravan was carrying Sita on that helicopter, Uran Khatola, Uran Viman, tab Sita, tab Jatayu, which is this bird, he sensed danger and he fought vehemently against Ravan, and Ravan realized that he won't be able to defeat Jatayu, so he took out his mighty sword and cut one of his wings, because of which Jatayu fell down. And this there is this temple that I was showing there. That temple has the wings, like that rock where Jatayu fell off, and the pond nearby that kept on feeding Jatayu till the time Ram and Lakshman ji reaches out to him, and he is able to convey the message about Sita to them. So legend has this, that the footprints of Ram and that rock is still there, and also the pond that fed Jatayu has never dried up ever since. So this entire monument is an emblem of how a bird knew to protect a woman's dignity and fought till his death, fought till his entire power could fight to protect a woman's dignity. And I'll just go and see if I can enter the temple and look into the pond and everything. Closed, and honestly I don't see where the footprint, the rock is, and the pond mostly. I'll go and see. Okay, so this is the footprint of Lord Sri Rama. See, this is the footprint. Oh wow, this is so big. And you know what, this is pretty much acceptable. It's not like because he was a lord so it is a massive footprint. It's mostly during that time people had such big build. They definitely had that build. I'll just go and give my like pray a bit. And I think this is, no, this is not the, I need to check where the pond is. तो 2 चक्कर काट लिया मैंने पूरे स्कल्पचर का, एंड मेरे को पॉन्ड नहीं मिला. अपेरेंटली आई थिंक द पॉन्ड इज़ हियर बट आई एम नॉट श्योर क्योंकि पॉन्ड जैसा कुछ दिखा नहीं मेरे को. एंड सिक्योरिटी से पूछा, सिक्योरिटी बोल रहे हैं कि पॉन्ड इज़ देयर. वो कैफ़े जो दिख रहा है कैफ़े के बगल में, और कैफ़े के बगल में जाने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है. एक छोटा सा कुछ है, शायद वही पॉन्ड है. नॉट श्योर, डेफिनेटली नॉट श्योर. एंड everybody here, every individual who is walking here in and around me, they have no idea about the pond. See, I think that is this, crossing this thing. You can see the thing there covered with wire. That is the pond. That's the only thing I think is the pond. और तो मेरे को कुछ नहीं लग रहा है पॉन्ड जैसा इवन क्लोज, क्योंकि जो राम जी का फुट है उसके पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है. तो देर इज़ डेफिनेटली नो पॉन्ड. एंड ऑल्सो आई आस्क्ड द प्रीस्ट एंड द सिक्योरिटी एंड दे सेड कि इट इज़ ऑन दिस साइड. आई आस्क्ड अनदर पर्सन, ही सेड जस्ट आउट नेक्स्ट टू द कैफ़े. तो इस कैफ़े के बगल में बस ये है और इसके बगल में ये है, और मेरे को वही लग रहा है वो मैश वाला स्ट्रक्चर पॉन्ड. So if you guys are watching this video and you think कि you found the pond, do ping me in the comments and let me know where did you find the pond. Also ये जो केबल कार है जो टिकट लिया था, I think that is a one way ticket that we got. मतलब इधर से उतरते समय मेरे को चल के जाना पड़ेगा. Excuse me, where is the pond? Pond, that mesh no? We cannot go there. No, na? Yeah, guys, I was so right. That is the pond. That mesh wala structure. We cannot go there. And that pond never dries, so I'm not sure because I have not seen it. So I don't know if it is dried up or not. Anyway, so that is all for Jatayu Para. There is a museum work ongoing, and hopefully by the time you guys visit, this work will be done. It's a nice place to sit and chill with the family. I'll show you the structure once again. The area is covered with lush greenery. Look at this. Now, if you guys visit this place after watching my video, or if my video helps you in any way, or even if it doesn't, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and share it with your friends who are planning to travel here. I will recommend 10 on 10 to visit this place. Not only because it's very beautiful, but also because it's a pleasant trip. It will be a pleasant trip if you are in and around Varkala, Kollam or Trivandrum. So from all these places, this place and this sculpture is 1 hour away and definitely worth the visit. See you in the next video. Bye.